Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 10:45 a.m. At 9:44 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Barnegat Light Reef, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Barnegat Light, Seaside Park, Barnegat Light Reef, Pine Beach, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Ford River, and La Valette. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.